understanding the idea of buying cycle and understanding that we as sellers need to figure out where people are in their buying cycle, then we're prepped to be able to ask the right questions that are going to help our buyers move through their buying cycle. So yeah, the questions are quite complicated things, and they need thought, and they need care, and they need work. So first of all, the question needs to be appropriate for the point that somebody is in their buying cycle, and the question needs to be something that elicits an understanding for us where they are in their buying cycle. So there's a range of different questions, but there are three, I guess, universals when questioning. The first is preparation. And I've intimated in that just a moment ago. So what are the right questions for this point that somebody is at, both to help them through their cycle, because a question will make them think, and elicit from them what I need to understand with what they are so that I can help them. That needs preparation. Other things that need preparation for the question is the background to it. So if we're asking a question about, what's the current situation with your business, we look, frankly, bloody stupid and nowhere near empathetic if they say, do you mean the company results? Now, if we were to say yes to that, when the company results are there for all to see in the public domain, we are just not going to look like we care a great deal. So the important thing before questions is to research. So to research who we are talking to research the business, if it's a B2B, the business that they are operating in. So preparation is crucial to coming up with the right questions. And that preparation, both of what we can find out, but also consideration of where they are in their buying cycle. The next is to put a question nice and simply. In all my years and sitting in on thousands of sales calls, possibly the biggest single mistake I've seen made is salespeople asking two questions in one. It happens over and over again. Don't ask two questions in one. Just ask one simple question. Another big mistake, which is always fun to watch, is salespeople asking the question and then answering it for their prospect. That's brilliant, as though to show off the preparation they've done. It's hysterical, absolutely hysterical. People do it over and over. Not just salespeople, everyone. So those are definitely two things to guard against, but it's why we need to ask a simple question. So first, prepare. Second, ask a simple question. And the third is shut up and let your prospect answer.